The iPhone 13 orders have started. The new iPhones are now available for purchase, and enthusiastic iOS customers have already gone to the Apple Store and other stores to get their hands on the company's new flagships device. But things aren't turning out as we expected, so keep watching to get the full details on why you might have to wait a little longer before getting the new iPhone. And please subscribe to this channel to get new updates every day. The new iPhone uses Apple's A15 Bionic CPU to its full potential, has a larger battery to last longer, and a superior camera array with a fascinating cinematic video mode. As a result of all of this, the device is in high demand. The iPhone 13 was released on September 24th, but the wait time for each model has been steadily increasing since then, and it could get considerably worse. For example, the iPhone 13 Pro currently has a delivery estimate that may extend into December. It won't be long before the most popular models' deliveries are postponed past Christmas. According to Bloomberg, Apple has been forced to reduce its iPhone 13 production order by 11% due to the persistent global chip shortage. This implies there will be fewer gadgets on the market this holiday season than Apple had planned. We recommend placing your purchase as soon as possible if you want an iPhone 13 this year. The wait times have been steadily increasing. The current wait times for each iPhone 13 model will be detailed in this video. Before we go into the wait times for each iPhone 13 model, it's crucial to note that your results may vary. We can't guarantee that your wait time won't be longer than the list we have here because it depends on a variety of factors such as your location and configuration. The regular iPhone 13, 128GB, is experiencing significant delays. It's expected to arrive in the New York area between November 4th and November 8th, and it's currently unavailable for pickup from an Apple store. Even the more expensive 256GB and 512GB variants are experiencing delays that will extend into next month. The color of the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, in all combinations, could have a substantial impact on wait time. So make sure to look into all of your alternatives. The pink colorway appears to be the least popular, as delivery estimates for most configurations are currently slightly shorter. The iPhone 13 Pro is the model where the delivery delays are most noticeable. Apple's basic iPhone 13 Pro 128GB isn't expected to ship until November 18th at the earliest, and it might take as long as November 26th. The iPhone 13 Pro Max variant is in a similar scenario, with delivery delays that could extend into late November. However, as previously said, if you want to receive an iPhone 13 in the next weeks, you should place your order now before the delivery dates start to slide towards the holiday season. So what do you think is the reason for the delay of the new iPhone devices? Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every day.